Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I want to show you what we got here. We got this speaker. This speaker is Sonos era. This speaker deserves your attention. We're going to unbox it and see what is inside. This is information pack. The power cable. So now the Bluetooth is highlighting, looking for available Bluetooth device. Now go to your laptop settings, then select Bluetooth and devices. Switch Bluetooth on, then you select add a device, then select Bluetooth. It's now looking for available Bluetooth device. Found living room Sonos. Then you select it's connecting and it's connected. You select done. This is for you to reduce the volume. If you slide this to the right, increase the volume. This button is for you to go to previous track. This button is for you to go to next track. It's gone to next track.
I promised I would wait for you.
This is pause and play. If you select it again, it will start.
I'm getting so impatient.
Thank you.